Hi, I'm Helen Haynes with another public speaking tip. The best way to really improve your speaking is by getting feedback. Now, there are two ways you can do that. You can either get feedback from someone in the audience, so pick a friend who you trust, or a business colleague, or someone who you believe will have some honest feedback to give you, and ask them to listen to your talk and give you feedback at the end. Maybe how you sounded, your message, and how you delivered your talk. Be open to that feedback because it will really help you grow and become a better speaker. Another way, of course, is by recording yourself. You can do that before you speak and in the practice sessions, or you can actually set up recordings while you're speaking. This is just so important because a lot of us don't realize how we look, the facial expressions we give, and how we deliver our talk. So be brave, record yourself, or get the feedback you need in order to grow. I'm Helen Haynes, your public speaking coach.